The Google Nest Doorbell battery runs on a rechargeable battery designed to keep your smart doorbell working even without constant wired power. Over time, the battery level naturally drops depending on how often the camera records motion events or sends alerts. When the charge gets low, the device may send a notification through the Google Home app reminding you to recharge it. Charging the Nest Doorbell battery is a simple process that involves removing the doorbell from its mount and connecting it to a USB power source for a few hours. Try these. Step 1. Use the release tool or a small pin to press the hole at the bottom of the doorbell and remove it from the wall mount. Step 2. Locate the USB charging port on the back of the doorbell. Step 3. Connect a USB charging cable to the doorbell and plug the other end into a power adapter or computer. Step 4. Allow the doorbell to charge for several hours until the indicator light confirms it is fully charged. Step 5. Disconnect the cable and snap the doorbell back onto its wall mount until it clicks securely in place.